vision is what allows you to see the world around you. Humans and animals see the world very unique from each other. Even though this isn't something we think of a lot, it does pose some interesting thoughts from our perspective. For example, when we meet someone who is colorblind, we consider it as a unique and possibly unfortunate trait. However, there are some animals where this is perfectly normal. Alternatively, there are some incredible things that animals can see, which we cannot. Aside from just what we see, some animals see completely different points of view. They have different eye shapes which allow them to see more or less of the world than we do. The human eye is pretty amazing, but there are some things it cannot do. Like seeing ultraviolet light or detecting images at a greater distance. The visual capabilities of non-human creatures can help to open our eyes to possibilities beyond our limited human sight. Dogs and cats. Dogs and cats have a very different view of the world than we humans. The colors they see are much more dull than those we sense. Some are even colorblind, but their peripheral vision is much sharper than ours. At night, their eyes are extremely sensitive to movement, allowing them to hunt for prey in the darkness. That's how the cat could chase mice in the dark. Snakes. Two pairs of eyes are better than one, that's the case with snakes. They have both daytime and nighttime sets of eyes. Their daytime eyes primarily sense movement, sometimes completely missing out on motionless prey. Humans have trichromacy, which means we can see short, medium, and long wavelengths, between 420 and 525 nanometers. This is only a small fraction of the trillions of colors in the electromagnetic spectrum, which extends from 400 to 800 nanometers. But the electromagnetic spectrum is so much bigger than this visible color portion, including gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, infrared rays, microwaves, and radio waves. A snake's nighttime eyes, which are actually pit organs near the nose, can detect more of the spectrum, including infrared heat from 10 to 400 nanometers. This enables them to see prey by their heat signature. Horses and zebras. Horses and zebras are big creatures, so they need big visual capabilities. That's why their eyes point sideways instead of straight ahead like humans. This gives them amazing peripheral vision, that allows them to see almost all the way behind them. They are capable of seeing nearly 360 degrees at one time. But it does mean they have a blind spot right in front of their noses. They always see two of everything. As with most animals, horses and zebras too have better night vision than humans, but their color vision is more like gray vision with different shades of black and white. Insects. Insects have the coolest vision of all with their compound eyes. These eyes are composed of hundreds or thousands of tiny lenses fitted together like a honeycomb. Each lens captures a portion of the visual field which is then stitched together to create a whole picture. Dragonflies and praying mantises have the most with up to 30,000 lenses. Color perception varies from insect to insect. Some bugs, like butterflies and bees, can see ultraviolet light, with wavelengths between 700 nanometers and 1 millimeter in length. This allows them to perceive the bright UV petals contrasted against glowing UV pollen, so they can better find their food. We hope you liked this video. Please check out the second part of this video series for more information about animal vision. Do let us know what you liked or disliked in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe to encourage us to do more. Stay tuned for more videos from Looby Loo. Thanks for watching.